Okay, so you just got another job, a new job, or you've been promoted, or you've been in your job a while and you want to know how you can be a better employee. Over the next 7 days, I'm going to be sharing tips and tricks that you can use to be a much better employee. So stick around. Hello, Dale Majors here, and welcome to day 1 of the Masterclass here at Venture Anyway. If you're new to the channel and enjoy what you see, please subscribe and like the video, and I'm just happy to have you here. So I'm speaking to you as if you are my best friend that is getting a new job, and I want to give you all the tips that I've learned over the last several years of being an executive coach and coaching employees and helping people be more successful in their employment. So that's what we're going to focus on over these next 7 videos. All right, so for day 1, I want to get really clear, kind of starting from the top down, and then over the next 7 days, we're going to get more tactical into the weeds a bit more. But I want to start with understanding exactly what your position is. So in any role that you sign up for, you need to understand what key success metrics you're going to be held to. So you want to identify what your main numbers are, what your metrics are, so you can work with your manager or your leader to establish those so you can quantify what success looks like in your position. And then secondly, you want to have an idea of what success looks like. So you'll know what the successful numbers will read, but find out what those intangibles are that might be hard to measure. Work with your boss and to understand, like, if I'm successful in this position over the next year, what do things look like? You just want to have a good big picture understanding of what success looks like in your new role. And third, and I think most importantly, and this is what I've noticed in a lot of companies that I've looked at, is you need to give a darn about your position. So if you're employed somewhere where you don't really care about the company or being successful, then I would suggest to go find another place where you can really commit yourself fully. And if finding another place isn't in the cards, then try to find some way to creatively start caring about where you are. Because, life is short and you have a lot of options and you could work somewhere else. So you should really be engaged where you are. We were meant to be engaged. And I truly believe that all of us have the potential to be hyper motivated and engaged and very unmotivated and disengaged. I remember I'm a motivated guy. I consider myself very motivated. And I have several situations where, whether it was slacking off and sloughing the Scout fundraiser, or just not caring in school, right? I was in a situation where I just didn't really care that much. So you owe it to yourself to be somewhere where you care. So to wrap up day 1, just make sure that you really know clearly what success looks like for your position, that you have a clear idea of that, and that you care about it, that you're excited about it, and that you're going to be able to muster the energy to actually go down that road. So that's it for day 1, kind of a short video. On day 2, we're going to talk about working with other people and learning to deal with other personalities. So we're even going to talk about a model that talks about spacemen and earthmen and sky and so on. Really excited about it. It's awesome. And we're going to talk about appreciating different types of people. So stay tuned for video number 2, and thank you for being here. Again, if you enjoyed the video, then subscribe, click the notification bell so you can be alerted of these new videos coming out. I release videos 5 days a week that are all geared to help you be better tomorrow than you are today. So thanks for being here, and I'll see you in my next video.